Hi to everyone, I'm Alexander, and I'm going to show you now Metricity Know Your Client solution. First of all, I'm glad to see here people from financial world. It's okay, yeah, because you are all dealing with money, and that means that you all want to know who are you dealing with. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now, and you're going to be my client after this, okay? Metricity helps institutions to meet compliance requirements, verify clients' identity, and calculate risk assessment from money laundering and financing terrorism. The world of money. Today we live in a world where money are everywhere around us. This means that we have money flow services offered by bank, credit unions, money service business, money remitters, and many others. We also have business where money are involved in gambling industry, trading, insurance, and so on. People use these services very easy. They are happy with that, and at the same time, it brings a lot of profit to the business. So everyone is happy. But the headache starts when someone wants to launder dirty money. This means that they are bad guys and you need to protect for them. On top of that, there is the regulator, a government agency, who prescribes measures and recommendations how to identify the client, mitigate the risk from money laundering, and other requirements in order to be compliant with the law. The list of these requirements is really long. So we have bad guys at your home, we have three, the regulator could fine you, and that it's not a good feeling, believe me. The challenge. We have non-compliant with anti-money laundering requirements issue. We struggle to verify client's identity. The lack of risk assessment, paperwork overload. You have a bunch of papers on any desk, in any office when you go for certain services. We offer a solution for that. It's simply software as a service solution with compliance requirements implemented inside. A client app where you can exchange documents with your clients online. Automatic engine for risk assessment calculation, and central document repository where your documents are available from any device at any place in the world. We have banks, non-bank financial institutions, saving house, foreign exchange, money remitters, accounting, gambling industry, and the list is very big, many others entities who are obliged by the anti-money laundering law. It's over 7,000K. So how it works, in fact? It's very simple. You need 4 different things: registration, setup, get your client, and you have risk assessment available for you. You register your information directly on our platform. You submit the registration request, and after that, it's automatically approved to your institution. Next step, you set up your risk factors. It's online, you configure it. Next step, you set up your screening schedule. You have option to choose different schedule level. And next step, you import client information and you're ready to go. Your client are inside information portfolio. You have available KYC profile. The risk assessment is automatically calculated for you. And you have risk parameters overview, which you are able to update and modify. Who we are competing with? North Macedonia market, the Aspect and Asseco, international tumbler provider. How we differentiate? We offer software as a service, the compliance service through software. We offer a customer app. Your clients have direct access to the system. And we offer a visual analysis component where we can interpret your ownership structure, beneficiary ownership structure through easy visual window. The competitive landscape says that they are the same level convenience solution, but Metricity is affordable and low price on the market. The market opportunity. We have entities obliged by the law. The lawmaker says that there are over 7,000 total entities. Inside, there are 1.7 million customers. The vulnerable sector, over 2,000K, and inside, there are over 100,000 customers. And we are targeting at this phase 22 non-bank financial institutions, and inside 20,000 customers. So how we make money? The revenue model, we charge software as a service on a monthly basis with 3 different subscriptions. The price is per customers, but we also offer a custom implementation for enterprise solutions where we charge product implementation fee and also license fee per year. The timeline. We have pre-launch phase where September 2019 we are launching demo and finding first customers. We are offering them access to the demo. 2020 January we start launching the live version with production, and we are starting making revenue. These first customers start paying to us. We expand globally in March 2020, where June 2020 is the next version with the updated functionalities. The timeline with cost. We have milestones for partnership cost. We have product development, marketing, and also the updated product version cost. At the same time, we have the appropriate phases which start bringing revenues, and till the next stage. The projections, financial projections by year says that after the second year, we will start making good money, which means that over 280,000 euros, and third year brings us over €500,000. And the team behind this is me, Alexander Velkov, the CEO. I make sure everyone is happy and see the value proposition. We have Dragan, our technical lead guy, and we have Biljana, she takes care that customer and compliance requirements are translated inside the solution. So we all want to make a profit, but we need to be in compliance, and we offer a technology for that, a compliance intelligent technology. Metricity is our first software solution. Thank you. Yeah, any questions?
Thanks. Thank you, Alexander. So the market numbers which you presented, this is for Macedonia?
Yeah.
The one?
This is North Macedonian market. First stage, we targeting this.
Yeah, and the revenue projections for 2020 are also for the Macedonian market, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay. What is the next market that you would like to target?
Yeah, next market is Germany and Swiss. We already get in touch with a small bank. It's in Germany, but honestly, like a couple of weeks ago, we also get in touch with a bank from Africa. So that's an interesting opportunity.
Absolutely.
Yeah. But Germany and Swiss is our market.
Okay. How easily would be to adapt your system for the different markets? So, for example, Germany, they do have some different regulations in terms of the
yeah, that's
financial
correct. What makes us differentiate is, you see down there, create own risk parameter models, which means that the industries and the risk and the threats in the countries, let's say in Germany, are different. So our clients are able to create their own risk parameter model. We will also support them in tuning the risk model, and they will be able to see the benefits of that.
Just to understand, does it work?
No.
Just to understand, oh, this one is too strong. To understand things better, you plan your pricing model on the number of customers of each
entity.
So, for example, if you have a bank that has 100,000 customers,
yep,
you would charge them 1.5 euros per customer. Is that right? Or?
Yes, theoretically, but for that kind of implementation, we go with the custom implementation. So in this way, we assume 2 factors: the number of customers or the accounts that they have, and the second one is the the bank charter, how much their revenue model is. So those two factors will be in place when we charge a large enterprise customer. These prices for North Macedonian market, as I said, small financial institution, and we assume that this will be most applicable for them.
And if I understand it correctly, the customers themselves would input the data that is needed for assuring compliance. Is that
Yeah,
right?
that's correct. It will be like online exchange model. So the entity could send a question through the system, and the customer itself could, through the cell phone, make a selfie or scan the ID card, or maybe scan the tax statement. So it will be like interaction between the entity and the customer. We offer that as a differentiator because no one offers that on the market now.
Thank you.
Yeah.
There are multiple types of services actually in the identification space and fintech. Do you think that blockchain is something that you can go after, or it's type of a competitor to you? Because in blockchain authentication, it's already working in this field and it's much more advanced than what you're presenting.
Yeah. Well, our team participated in an international project where the blockchain topic was escalated. At this level, we assume that this kind of solution and technology solves the problem in the easiest way. So our goal is to solve the problem most effectively. So this technology, cloud-based software as a service, is the best way to solve the problem right now. Blockchain, it's also available, but it assumes more resources, more time, and more expensive. So that will be
just quickly, your background, what you do for a living right now, is this your...
Yeah, we offer compliance consultancy services as a company. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.